Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my Jamaican fried dumpling recipe. Now when I was growing up, fried dumpling was such a treat, and we'd have it with a meat item that had gravy, and when you sopped up that gravy with the dumpling, oh, it was like heaven. So stay tuned for my Jamaican fried dumpling recipe. I'm starting with 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. This is about 2 tablespoons of salt, and I use pink Himalayan salt. 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, and I use coconut sugar, but you can use regular white or brown sugar instead. And then I thoroughly mix all of the dry ingredients together. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of softened butter and 1 cup of water. You might need to add more water depending on the consistency of the dough, but we'll start with 1 cup for now. You'll have to knead the dough with your hands in order to mix the butter evenly throughout the dough. The dough was a little dry, so I added about 1/4 cup more of water. You'll want to knead the dough until it comes together and isn't sticky but not too dry either, similar to a stiff pizza dough. And now it's time to form the dumplings. I'm picking up about the equivalent of 3 tablespoons of the dough, rolling it into a ball, and then making an imprint in the middle with my thumb. So now it's time for frying. I've heated up a skillet on medium-low and added a good amount of coconut oil to it. If you don't like the taste of coconut oil, you can use whatever vegetable oil you like. I'm frying the dumplings for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. When I turn them, I press down gently to help cook the middle of the dumplings a little faster. You'll want to have a nice golden color. And there you go, dumplings that are crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. So there you have it, my fried dumpling recipe. I've had it for breakfast with bacon and eggs. I've had it for lunch. I've had it for snack. So you can pair it with anything you like. It's still really good. Now, if you make these dumplings, please let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you like this recipe, consider subscribing. Until next time, take care.